Okay, in this video we're going to see how we can use variables in Python. So first let's assign a value to an object. So let's say A is an object, and now I'm giving the equal sign, and then before the equal sign let's give it a space, and then give the equal sign, and then give it another space, and then I write 5 or let's say 6. There you go. Now give the shift enter. Okay, now we go to another line of code. Now I'm just going to recall A, so I'm just going to write down A and then give shift enter. As you can see, the output is 6, meaning that A has now been assigned the value of 6. Now if you want to rewrite the value at this point, now we can also do that. To do that, we're just going to give an A, give it a space, equal sign, and then let's give it a value of 8. There we go. Now hit shift enter. There you go. Now we write in A and shift enter. As you can see, the value of A has now been changed from 6 to 8. Now we're going to do another thing, that is we're going to add A with an A and see if it works or not. Okay, so we write down A, then give the plus symbol, and then write down A again, then shift enter. As you can see, the result is 16, meaning 8 plus 8 is 16. So it is working as well. Now what we can do is we can even do a redefine. Okay, so we can redefine in a fun way. So let's do A is now equals to the previous value of A added with the previous value of A. Okay, now give enter. Now we are going to call in A. There we go, shift enter. Now as you can see, the value of A has turned into 16. Why? Because we had previously written A equals to A plus A. So what Python is going to do is Python is going to look for A before this definition. So the value of A before this definition was 8, and then added by another A which was also